Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. Today I am with you with English second paper class. Dear students, in my previous class you have learned about adjective and degree of comparison. This is part 2. In this part I will discuss how to change degree one to the other. That is positive to comparative and superlative, comparative to positive and superlative, superlative to positive and comparative. So here we go. First you have to know the sentence structure of the 3 degrees. In positive degree you will get 4 types of sentence following this structure. Here you see. As you see, in comparative you will get these 5 types of structure, and in superlative you will have these 3 types of structure in sentence. My purpose is not only to discuss the structure only. Actually, I want to teach you shortcut method how to change degree one to the other, and of course without changing the meaning of the sentence. How? Let's see. Here is an example. Kamal is as good as Jamal. What do we see in this sentence? It is positive. How do I know? SS form is there, but we don't find here no other or very few, and there is no negative form with SS form. So, if my positive degree is not starting with no other, none or very few, in that case to change it into comparative you have to follow type 1 as I show in the chart. What is that? Exchange the two subject exchange the 2 degrees, positive to comparative. So, as good as become better than, and then exchange the auxiliary to negative. So, the answer becomes Jamal is not better than Kamal. Is it easy, dear student? Now the next type. It's just opposite thing you have to do. All the things are similar as previous, and just remember to exchange affirmative to negative. So again exchange the two subject, then exchange the degrees, and this time exchange negative to affirmative. So our answer become I am more smart than my brother. I think you here notice one thing, that objective form me will be the subjective form I. So here are some examples for you to better understand. Here you see some example. But you have to remember, in these two types superlative is just impossible. You can't change these two types into superlative form. Now here you go, the next type. Let's take a sentence. Mohan is the wisest man in the village. This sentence is superlative because the and est is there. If you want to make this sentence from superlative to comparative, all that you need to do, remove the and est from superlative and make it wiser plus than any other. So the comparative become Mohan is wiser than any other man in the village, as you can see on screen. Now if you want to make the same sentence positive, in case of this type positive will start with no other, and the wiser became as wisest. So the answer become no other man in the village is as wise as Mohan. So this is type 3 as I mentioned you in the chart. Then in case of type 4, you see that there is no positive form, and you have to keep in mind that if there is than all other in the comparative form, when you make it superlative, you have to use of all in exchange of than all other. Now let's see type 5. Here's an example. Nazrul is greater than most other poets in Bangladesh. This sentence is in comparative form. If you want to make it positive, in case of this type, positive will start with very few, and you have to follow very few's structure in the positive form. Then in the superlative form, you have to use one of the plus est as the structure as you see on the screen. So in positive, the answer will be very few poets in Bangladesh are as great as Nazrul, and in superlative the answer became Nazrul is one of the greatest poets in Bangladesh. So hope you will practice this method and this will be helpful for you. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Stay at home, stay safe, and try to follow the rules given by the government. Thank you.